What a day it's been. I just wanted to, I was just a little bit excited, so I thought I'd share with you. And yes, I've run out of makeup and everything. I put it on at 7 o'clock this morning. So it's been 12 hours, but nonetheless, it's been a pretty exciting day. I ran a mentoring meeting this morning for women, and that was heaps of fun. And then I got back and I've been doing a course all day, which was a business immersion summit, but very, very much about our blockages and our belief systems and where everything comes from. So it sort of made me even more excited about the workshop that my brother David Sheil and I have coming up on the 11th of August. It's only $99 for 4 hours for the pair of us, so it's dirt cheap just because it's the first time we've run it. And I'm so excited because this is the work that helped to get me out of quite a big hole a few years ago during the Big C, and it just really helped me to sharpen my focus where it needed to go. So the fantastic thing about the workshop is, well, actually, it's $99 if paid by the end of July. It is $149 if paid from the 1st of August through to the day, which is the 11th of August. And anyone who registers, even if it's around the world, can obviously then get the work to do on their own. So 4 hours, which is all very, very exciting to me. So it's going to be fun, and it's really it's just lit a fire, underneath me to share information and just help people to become the best they can be. What this process is, it's about working with hope. I was just chatting to a client who and talking about counseling these days, and so much counseling is based on trauma. It's based on PTSD. It's based on blame. It's about looking at the people who have hurt us in our lives, all the narcissists, all the sociopaths. And a lot of it isn't about either taking responsibility for ourselves generally or about hope. Where's the bloody hope in all of this? And as Tut was going, my brother, as he was going through his and yes, I call him Tootie. So if you hear me say that, that's his nickname, has been since he was 2, but everyone else calls him David. So it's been a really interesting process watching him develop this over the last 5 years or so, and particularly the last 3. And I'm just helping him to get it out there to the world, because I really do think that this process is an easy to do thing, that when it's understood, it can change people's lives. And it's about hope. It's about focus. It's about giving ourselves a break with stuff we really don't give a shit about. So it's going to be fun. It's going to be immersive for anyone who pays for it and does it afterwards. You're still going to get my energy and Tut's energy, and it's going to be lots of fun. It's going to be lots of information, and it's going to give you the tools you need to be able to do it. So very exciting. I'll put the Humanitics order in the information below, and hope to see you there, or hope to send you a copy of the course afterwards. And looking forward to seeing everyone. Mwah. Have a great day.